We'll guide you through how to create a navigation bar using HTML and CSS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, open the HTML and CSS file in the code editor of your choice. For this, I'll be using VS Code. Open it. Now, I'll show you the web page before and after adding the navigation bar. Here, this is how it looks like before adding the navigation bar. Now, to add the navigation bar, go back to your code. Here, inside the body element, after the head element and before the main element, you need to create a nav element. You need to type the following: angle bracket open, nav space class equals, and inside quotation give class name. Here I am giving nav bar. Now close the angle bracket. Inside this, create an unordered list. Open the angle bracket, type ul, and then close the angle bracket. Now in this, again open the angle bracket, type li, then close the angle bracket. Now inside this, open the angle bracket, a space href equals quotation, close the quotation and close the angle bracket. Now you can copy and paste this line and paste it for the number of elements you would like to see in your nav bar. Here I would like to have home page, about, and the context, so I'll have it for 3 times. Now inside the first element, type home, inside the second one type about, and inside the third one type contact. Now to make sure when we click home, about, or contact we get redirected to the correct page, we need to give link inside the double quotation. For the first one, it will be index.html as it is my home link. For about, I have already created about.html, so here you need to type it about.html, and for the third one it will be contact.html. Now go to the style sheet. Now to style the navigation bar, I am going to write some code in the CSS file. Here you can write the code to change how the nav bar looks according to how you like it. If you would like to copy how it looks in the video, then you can copy the code from the description. This style sheet styles the navigation bar and the elements. The first one is for unordered list, the second one is for the A element, the third one is to add a hover effect, and the fourth one is for the list. Save it. Now go back to your index.html and copy the nav element part and paste it into about as well as contact. Now this is how it looks like after the navigation bar is created. When I click on home, I go to the home page. When I click on about, I get to the about page, and when I click on contact, I get to the contact page. Thanks for watching.